Hello, and thank you for watching SeaDaddys Dive Center. We had another incredible day on the water. Our guests stopped in to see the manatees while they were having lunch today in Hunter Springs. Later, the manatees decided to put on a show for our guest. Currently, SeaDaddys is producing a manatee documentary. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our page so once it's completed, you would be notified. Feel free to contact SeaDaddys anytime. Our email address is SeaDaddysDive@gmail.com. If you would like to book your next manatee adventure, then please check us out at SeaDaddysDiveCenter.com. Thank you for tuning in to SeaDaddys Dive Center today. We look forward to bringing you more content in the future, and remember to like and subscribe. You will be notified whenever SeaDaddys has some new content for you to take a look at. Not to mention, becoming our subscriber will mean we can continue to bring you this content for a very long time.